Hey guys, now I've got a little project going on. These are Blozzo's valve days. You'll notice this hydraulic valve. This is a ball valve, obviously. Well, not obviously, but it is. With this nice big ass handle. Now, this piece you place on this, and depending on how you position it, you can either lock the handle in place, or you can either control whether the handle goes this way or this way, right? Now, I've got the hydraulic valve for the rear cylinder perfect. It works beautiful. But look at this. I saw this at Menards. It's capable of 500 bar. A bar being what, 14.7 psi? It's capable of 7,000 psi. Now I've already installed the correct fittings to screw this up into the back of that hydraulic cylinder, right? This fitting is tight. This fitting is finger tight because I'll use that one. It's a 45-degree street L. I'll use that one to adjust the exit angle so that the hydraulic hose, meets up to it nice and comfy. Why would I screw with my valve whilst it's working perfect? Well, if you're a ham radio operator watching this, how rude of me. Hey guys, welcome back to my town dump, and thank you very much for stopping by. I really appreciate it, man. I really do. So if you're a ham radio operator, need I say more about why I'm going to tear apart a perfectly good working hydraulic valve to install another on a tractor? You know where I'm going with this, man. When a contact on the air helps you get your mic gain and your equalizer settings just right, and he tells you, oh man, your audio is superb right now, old man. You complete your QSO. How long does it take you before you start screwing with all your settings again? Can any one of you deny that you do that? I'd like to know. My baby boy Blitzy'd like to know. Hey Blitzy, you want to say hi to the guys? Hey guys. Hey guys, come play with me. Come play with me. That's Blitzy. He's a good boy. Are you being a good ham? Stop screwing. I can't say that, man. Carry forth, guys. It's what we do. We screw with things, and we tinker with things, even when they're working perfectly. That's the heart of a ham. Be well, and thanks for coming by the old landfill. Take care. 73.